Hi everybody, Laura here, and welcome to another really hot day out here. Um, Today I am excited to share with you, well, maybe not so much excited, but I guess pleased to share that there is still, I don't know, gratitude and thankfulness around today. Um, I did a review on a bag, actually kind of not even a real big review, and I got a very, very kind thank you from the company, as well as actually a couple of gifts, which I didn't ask for. I shared it because I just share things when I think they're cool. I appreciate them. I just share it. It's not about, what can I get out of it or what are you going to do for me? Or I just think I love sharing really neat stuff with other people. I just do. So the bag that I did the review on was this guy here. And this again is Buzz Wren. He's my rhino bag. Um, really, I just love this bag. Really cute. But I just shared it. And, today I just got in the mail, I got a beautiful a thank you card from them. Thank you for appreciating your work and the lovely review. And it was really sweet. I got this. This is Fancy the Flamingo. Fancy the Flamingo is, well, it can be used as a keychain, I guess, too, but it's like a bag charm or whatever you want to really use it for. I just thought that was really sweet. Really sweet of them to do that. I think it's really cute. And just FYI, um, I mean, it's made well. It's not, sometimes, you get things or you buy something or whatever and you get it, especially like, any type of keychain or purse fob, and you're like, ew, that's kind of not well made and it's gonna break. But this is actually made really well, guys. And they also sent me this gorgeous, gorgeous, if the wind doesn't blow it away, this flamingo silk scarf. I mean, it is just, as it's blowing in my face, it is just beautiful. Beautiful colors. Uh, it reminds me of Ferragamo because Ferragamo kind of does but this is a beautiful, beautiful silk scarf, guys. Very beautiful. Was not expecting this, and I truly, truly appreciate this. And these are actually things that I would use. I love. Um, but it just got me thinking. With all the handbag reviews there are out there on YouTube, wouldn't it be nice if even like Louis Vuitton or Chanel or Gucci or any of these companies would at least send like a thank you? I know they're a big company, they're, millions of people and thousands doing reviews, but it's just nice to see that somebody's actually, I guess, grateful, you know? Um, so I appreciate that. I also happened to take a look at their website today on my computer, and I just noticed that they have a really cute zebra, and they have and the Brontosaurus bag is back in stock. The camel, um, again, most of theirs are sold out really quickly. I'm still mad that I can't get Brutus. Brutus the shark. I'm still mad I can't get him yet. But anyway, guys, these three bags right here, which I'm going to link their site down below too, but they've got a zebra and the llama and the brontosaurus bag, but super cute. Oh, they have the rat. Okay, I take that back. They do have more in stock. The rabbit. Okay, so they have a wide variety of, and I'm sorry, I'm looking at but they have their bags, they have clutches, they have coin purses, accessories. You can get gift cards if you want to send someone a gift. But I just think it's really neat. And they don't have like such a large selection that you're, you know how you get a little mind boggled? You're like, okay, this is just too much to look at. I can't. But anyway, very well made items. So if you again are into just, you know, cute, unique, all of that, I think this is really, um, I think this would be the site for you then. Again, I just wanted to say a shout out to them for the appreciation that they gave me. And I'm not doing this thank you for that thank you to get another gift. I'm not doing that. But I just think it's really cool that they appreciated that. And I hope you guys do check out their site because I think their stuff is like really, really cool. Especially, like I said, if you love animals or anything, you'll love it. You will, I promise. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share that with you. I'm linking their site down below, and take a gander at their site and just take a look for yourself. So anyway, guys, thank you again, Wicker Darling, for sending me the beautiful little gifts. I truly appreciate. And don't forget to check them out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. That helps as well. So I appreciate everyone who has. And until next time, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.